If you're seeing Facebook error too, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and simple ways to fix it. This is a common issue that can happen because of a temporary page glitch, a weak internet connection, or a browser problem. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a minute or two without any advanced steps. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5, or tap the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook error 2 is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes to get everything working again. After refreshing, give the page a moment to reload fully and see if the error disappears. If that does not work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook pages to fail to load properly. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If other sites are slow too, you may need to reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router, or switch to mobile data if you are on a phone. Once your connection is stable, go back to Facebook and try again. Another very effective fix is to try Incognito Mode. Open a private browsing window in your browser and sign into Facebook there. Incognito Mode helps you test whether the problem is caused by browser cache, cookies, or an extension. If Facebook works in Incognito Mode, then the issue is likely with your normal browser session rather than Facebook itself. If it works in Incognito but not in your regular browser, you may want to clear your cache and cookies, then reload Facebook again. You can also disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, because sometimes they interfere with Facebook loading correctly. If you are on a mobile device, closing the app completely and reopening it can also help. So to recap, the main fixes for Facebook error 2 are refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, and trying Incognito Mode. These simple steps solve the problem for many users and can save you a lot of time. If one method does not work, move on to the next until Facebook loads properly again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.